So if you've been following along, taking this Gen 1 EZ30, taking it out of this Forester, it might be a Legacy, I don't know. What does matter? Right, unloading all sorts of goodies today. It's a little cracked. We got a 2.5 GT here with most of the fixings. As far as I know, this motor is toast, but we could be surprised. Let's check it out. I don't know why they put that over the bottom of the radio.
Their talents in all phases of creating music. Kids have fun and gain confidence in themselves.
Hey, you little fucking mouse. Hey, get out of here, mouse. This little guy just fucking ran out in front of me from the car, and he's just chilling. The audacity. Alright, anyway. I have here my EJ257. Anyway, I have here my EJ25. And I didn't expect my parts car to come with an EJ25. I'm super excited. It's an 05 GT, so this has got forged pistons. I'm blown away. I don't know what to do with it. It's low on compression on 2 cylinders, so I went out and bought an engine stand. So here I've got my transmission bolts going in there. It'll tighten down the positions of these pieces. Hey guys, Mike from Mountain Slayers here. Today I'm going to get into my EJ257. I'm going to get my head gaskets off. I'm going to get my valve covers off. I'm going to get my heads off. I just want to inspect things, see how it looks. I want to get a look at my valves. I want to get a look at my cylinder walls. I want to just inspect everything, see how everything looks, because I'm going to be rebuilding this. So just to recap, EJ257 came in super desirable. Don't use them in Japan anymore, so they're hard to get parts for. But without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright, so I've already undone all these bolts. They're really put down there. So, here you've got arrow pointing the front of the engine. You got 4I, that's the intake. Over here, arrow pointing the front of the engine. 4E, it's your exhaust. Missed a step. I gotta take my cams off. check back in with you guys in a second. Alright, dealing with a stuck camshaft here. There's no stuck camshaft, it's a stuck camshaft bolt. A pulley, camshaft pulley bolt, whatever you want to call it. He's stuck. So I got clamps on my old timing belt. I'm lifting the whole engine off the stand at this point. Whew. I could see somebody tried to do this. I don't know if they used an impact or what, but they kind of stripped the bolt. Not too bad, obviously. They stripped the bolt a little bit. Now my tools. Now my tools are where my 10mm Allen key's stuck in there. There we go. Nice. I'm going to pull off this valve cover gasket. Everything looks good in here. Cam lobes look good. These could be polished. But, alright, let's get everything off. Make sure to do this with the engine up. You don't want these things to fall, your shims. So, there is pretty bad scoring. It can be felt.